So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Ritesh, and today in this video we are going to discussing about that what is the meaning of the OOPS concept in the Java programming, that is the object oriented programming concept. Okay, so in this video we will cover about everything about the OOPS. Okay, so I hope that you have clarity. So let's start this video. So let's start this video. Okay, so if you are going to searching on the search engine, that is a Google search engine, so here we can see that what is the defining the meaning of the oops in Java. Okay, so what is oops in Java? We can see that the answer is here that oops in Java is nothing but it is used to improve the code readability and reusability by defining a Java program efficiently. So what is the meaning of this line? This line is going to say that if we are going to mainly use the oops concept in our program, in Java program, for the reusability and the readability of our codes. Okay, so that's why we are going to use. So how can we sell these things? We are going to see. Okay, so the main principles of object oriented programming are abstraction. Here this one line is going to say that the main principle of object oriented programming are abstraction. So abstraction, as you know that what is the meaning of the abstraction? Abstraction is also same as the class. Okay, abstraction is a class where we are going to only declare the methods, declare the data. Okay, so that is the meaning of the abstraction. We are only going to declare what there we are not going to define our functions, methods, or etc. so on. So that is the meaning of the abstractions. Okay, that one called the abstraction. And here we have the encapsulations. So encapsulation is nothing. If you are going to bind our private data in the publicly, so at that time our data will be public from the private, so at that time that one will be called, that concept will be called the encapsulation. Okay, and inheritance is going to use for the inherit, means for the joint the features of one class into different class into another class. So that's the meaning of the inheritance will be there. Okay, and the polymorphism. So polymorphism is poly means many and phism means for, and phism means you can say that is a forms. Okay, so one thing will be behave like a different thing, that is the meaning of the polymorphisms. So we will discuss about this in the next videos. Okay, so but mainly this one is a use for the, and we can say that one thing will be used for the different behaviors. Okay, so overloading, overriding, all these things will be here. Okay, so after that I want to say you something. This concept aim to implement real world entities in programs. So we can see that all these things is going to use for the improve the code readability and reusability. So how can we say? So because the main reason is here that inheritance and encapsulations, all these things is going to perform the all these concept in the Java on the for the perform the operation on the on the data. Okay, so we can say that readability will be there and reusability will be there, because if you are going to inherit the data, one class data members in the different class, so at a time what's happening, we are going to again and again we are inserting inside the different. Okay, means we are going to inherit joint the all these members of that class inside the different class. So readability and reusability is going there. Okay, so I hope that we have clarity that what am I want to say you right now. And here we have the some contents of the Java oops concept. Okay, so list of oops concept in Java is here: objects, classes, and the object and class, abstractions, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation. All these things we will, if we have to the sum also discuss that what is the meaning of the abstractions and all these things. Okay, so let's again we are going to move to the our notes that what is the Java concept, Java oops concept in Java. Okay, so let's see. So here we have the one notes. Okay, that is a very and very interesting thing here we can see. Let's see here. one second. Yes, so here we have the Java intro nodes. Okay, so this one is the first class here, so we can see that what is the nodes is here. Okay, so let's see.